been in the pool industry for about 18 years.
I've been servicing pools down for about 20 years.
And I've used No More Problems for many, many years.
I've tried so many different products. This right here, best product on the market, No More Problems.
No More Problems is a product that, used in conjunction with chlorine, has changed problem pools for me into not problem.
One of the biggest problems that pool guys have during the summer is algae.
I love the product because in the summertime, when you start to have these algae blooms, I'll use a little bit of No More Problems, and the algae goes right away, just like that.
I put them on my trouble pools. It was pretty bad, and after that, it just went clean.
I have crystal clear pools, and I can say the product is by far one of the best products I've used because I've tried so many out there, and No More Problems is the one that works best.
Is when used on a regular basis, it has done miracle things to pools where nothing else worked, and I've been pretty impressed with it by and large. I use it pretty regularly.
I love that product. Use this every time you go to your pool. Keep your other chemicals balanced. No more problems. No more algae.